thank you. This is New Explorers Girls Academy. By names of UMUTONI Rania. Welcome once again to the New Generation Show. We're here with the visitors of AERG in NEGA. We can start by telling them to introduce ourselves. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'm here by the names of UWASE Aliane. I'm in senior for MPG. I'm the mother of AERG in NEGA. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'm by names of GATERA Shallon, and I'm the coordinator of AERG 2020.
Okay, thank you. After telling about their names and their posts in AERG, then who was the first founder of AERG in this school, NEGA?
Okay, thank you. The first coordinator of AERG in this school, NEGA, was Zamda Hussein. Yeah.
And then, as in, what is the main reason why did you found AERG in this school?
Okay, thank you. We just want to teach the people how to live with others, to see those people who meet with genocide, to just know how can live with others, and also to know how to remember those people who were just first the problems in genocide.
Thank you. Then Shallon, as the coordinator of AERG, the coming year, right, 2020. As in, what are you going to do in AERG so as to achieve more things in this school?
Okay, thank you. My goal in next year, it's like to improve the hard working in AERG. Then I just advise my colleague to work hard with administration and to pass very well with high marks, such that when administration see our results, they will be proud of us, and then they will help us in whatever we do. Another things that I will just try my best to advise my colleague or to my followers, just to help others, like those people who faced genocide against it in 1984. Those people who are orphans, we go and help them. We teach them how to live with others in harmony, and also to work hard and harder in order to have a good family.
Thank you. As you have told us the main reason as AERG was found in this school, then I would like to know, what are the challenges do you really face? Because AERG, it's a family, right?
Yeah.
And almost all the people, like, we are in new generation, to me, we are so young. There are some students who really don't know the main reason for AERG. So as in, like, facing those challenges, what do you do as leaders as to make all the people to get involved in AERG? So what can we do?
Okay, thank you. The main challenge that we faced, or for me the first challenge that we faced in this school, the AERG, just the students here, they don't know the value of it. Maybe it's because that they don't know even how AERG work or what's the main purpose of AERG. That's the best challenge that I faced, because when somebody know the value of what you do or what's your main purpose, he or she can do great, in order that you can't just it can do better in order to help you and achieve more. But if somebody just doesn't know the value of what you are trying to do, he or she can't give you your value. So the main challenge that I faced is that the students in this NEGA, they don't know that the value of AERG.
Okay, thank you. As you have said that some students, they don't know the real purpose for AERG, but still, as you started last year, I think, right? Yeah. It is not the way it is now. Maybe right now people are really enjoying in AERG, and then I would like to know how many members are in AERG family.
Okay, thank you. The members of this year, the members are 29.
Okay, they are 29 then. Are you going to make more people in AERG? Like next year, are you going to improve on the number of the students who are in AERG family?
Yeah, of course, we are going to increase many people because we want to build our family so that we can build a good family in this school like AERG.
Okay, thank you. Then the last question. You as the coordinator of AERG 2020, then can you tell me like what are the new things which you have brought to AERG family in NEGA so as to improve it? Then what are you going to do to make the coming year different from these previous years?
Okay, thank you. The first thing that I brought in AERG which was new, was they didn't have the promotions like to start from senior twos or on ordinary level. They were, when we make a family and then they meet together, even the senior 4's promotion, senior 5 promotion and senior 6 promotion. So the last year was not, there was no those promotions, but this year those promotions are there. Another thing is that I brought the studying of history of our family. Like just I want to go teach those our members of AERG, teach them the history of our past history that we faced, and even work hard in order to remember and put them in practice such that we can't forget those histories of AERG.
Thank you. Then what is the advice you can give to other students who are not in AERG so as to also join in AERG family, because it's very much more important to the new generations?
Okay, thank you. First of all, AERG in French, we're in French, but some people are going to understand. The AERG means associations, association les élèves rescapés de génocide. So the advice I can give to those people who are not in AERG, the AERG first, we live with others like in families. We just take the children and treat them as they are at their homes, and also there were the mothers, the aunties, the coordinators who are going to see if the workings are well. So the people who wants to come in AERG, you're welcome in our school. And also the visitors who want to come to visit us in our school, you're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I think this is the end of this show, which is called New Generation Show. It was UMUTONI Rania, the news presenter, and New Explorers Girls Academy. Ciao.